subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The brand's air conditioners can be found in homes and offices across different regions. Midea has now expanded its product portfolio with the unveiling of a portable air conditioner dubbed Midea CarryCool Portable Air Conditioner. The product is designed for use in the kitchen and is said to have a built-in micro-compressor. The working principle is similar to that of the traditional air conditioner. This portable air conditioner has a cooling capacity of up to 750 watts. It equally features a high-density air filter that can effectively filter out smoke. The Midea CarryCool utilizes a rectangular shape and has a leather handle on the top for lifting it up. It is not just small in size, but it is pretty lightweight too, weighing just 10 kilograms. The air conditioner adopts twin-turbo, centrifugal air duct technology, which sucks in air from both sides, and then blows out from the front after cooling. The air volume is 180 meters 3/h, and the air supply distance can reach 4 meters. The built-in micro-compressor of this air conditioner is only the size of a can. It uses an R410A refrigerant, with a cooling power of 450 watts and a cooling capacity of 750 watts. The CarryCool also features 60 mesh, high-density stainless steel oil-proof filters on both sides of the air conditioner to prevent kitchen fumes from entering the interior. The product has a built-in active oxygen module that can remove peculiar smells inside the fuselage. Further, the Midea CarryCool air conditioner supports app control, allowing users to adjust the mode and fan speed right from a smartphone. The product has a built-in high-precision 9-axis gyroscope with a fall protection switch. When the product is tilted, the compressor is automatically turned off and the entire air conditioner whole machine is automatically powered off when it falls. It has a height of 50.8 centimeters, and an ambient temperature range of 17°C 39°C. Midea CarryCool Portable Air Conditioner is priced at $388. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.